This creamy tomato dish only takes 10 minutes. Put 450 grams of pasta into a pot of hot water. Add olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan. Add 4 chopped spring onions and 2 chopped or minced garlic cloves and fry for 2 minutes. Add 200 grams of cherry tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Fry for another few minutes or until the tomatoes are soft and you can squish them. Add 200 milliliters of plant-based cream to the tomatoes. Stir the sauce gently. Now you have a delicious creamy sauce made in only 10 minutes. Then add the pasta and infuse the sauce with the pasta until it's all mixed together. Then add a handful of fresh chopped basil to finish the dish off. And you're all done, your 10-minute creamy tomato pasta dish. Don't forget to save, like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes from Discovering Vegan Food.